Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, I will show you that how to design a accountancy resume. In this video, you can see here I have just chosen a random accountant resume which should be downloaded from the website or Google Chrome, and you just need to download the image and convert it into PDF and PDF to doc file or text file. That's why you can fetch the text have been written down already inside the resume, and now you need to modify the text according to your qualification and your university and your personal details. So here from you need to change your name, your birth identity and your university, and try to check the resume details and the personal experience and share your specialization. And hereby you can see I have just first time written down my name, and you should write down the name in this front, and after that you need to line out a border which is for the marking purpose. Here I have used, and here from you can use a contact details or icon. Here I have select the contact icon from the online platform like online images. And how can you insert the contact icon, Gmail contact address icon? You can choose it from the online images platform. So how do you find out the online images? Hereby you can see inside the Microsoft Word, you need to press the insert button. Inside the insertion, here you can see the picture choosing option. Like when you select the image or insert an image, there are two options. One is from select the image from your desktop, and another option is select the image from the online. So you need to select the online platform, and hereby you can see the Bing Chrome and search it out like a icon, and you need to choose an icon from here and just resize it according to your size of the documentation. And now you can see hereby I have already selected the icon, and according to icon wise I need to use my website or portfolio link. If you do not have the portfolio link, don't need to share the link. First you will give the phone number, then you will give the email ID, and now come to the address. So after that the main part of resume will be started, and here the main format is like, here you need to share the skills, that what kind of skills you have already or you have already gathered from your university courses. So according to accountancy, there is leadership is very much important for your job, and the organization skill and the developed perspective or discovered perspective. You need to select these types of the skills, and according to the skills you need to mark out that how much you have covered inside the university or your personal experience you need to share here. So according to your specialization you need to select a chart or graph. If you show the graph, many of the people don't want to use the graph because of the design complexity, but hereby I have already solved the all complexity. And here by you can see within just 5 minutes you can set up your skills and with the graph, 3D graph. So hereby you can see first you need to insert option, and hereby you need to select a chart. Before the chart you need to select the location where you want to share the chart or graph. You want to write down the graph. So I have just select a rectangle shape, and according to our portfolio, or sorry according to our resume A4 sheet, and just mark it out. And the previous one you can see here I will share my skills, and hereby you can see the skills, how to set up the skills. Yes, so first go to the chart designing option and select a chart like I have shared here. And one of the most important things is the font size. So you need to font size for the header is 12 or 10. If you are selecting the 12 size font size, your paragraph should be 10, or if you're selecting the 10 size, your paragraph should be 8. This is a very simplest matter. And now you can see how to select the chart. First, go through the chart option, select a chart, and this types of alignment, like land alignment chart, I have selected because of the visualization purpose. Hereby you can see in our previous selected resume has this types of shape, so that's why I have selected this types of shape. And now come to the position, like inside the skills, what kinds of skills you want to discover or you want to showcase here. Write down and mark it according to your personal experience, that if you are 5, then 5 out of 5. If you are not 5, like 4.5, you can select this one. So this is a very simple to mark down your skills. And with this design, I have end up this tutorial because it's very longer than the total tutorial should be more longer. That's why I have cut down in 2 parts. Thanks for watching my video and wait for the next part.